Fine, this is problem number 5. Let us go with this. Here, hungrily remove a frozen meat from the fridge. Its temperature is minus 18 degrees. So its temperature is minus 18 degrees centigrade. But you can start cooking it only when it reaches 15 degrees. That is going to be plus 15 degree centigrade. So its temperature is increasing by 3 degree every minute. So every minute it is increasing 3 degrees centigrade. Right? How long will you have to wait before you start cooking? Right? So from here, see, so take a line, number line here. So here it is minus 18 and as well as here, so plus 15. So from here to here it should reach, so that then only you can start cooking. Right? What you can do is every minute it is going to increase 3 degrees centigrade. So what you can do is first you divide this, right? Minus 18 divided by 3, which is going to be 6. Right? Here don't worry about this negative. Right? 6 minutes it's required to reach this, and as well as here from 0 to 15 it is going to reach 15 divided by 3, that is going to be 5 minutes. Right? So that 6 plus 5 minutes, which is going to be 11 minutes. Right? So how long will you have to wait before you start cooking? It is 11 minutes. Right? 11 minutes. Option C.